In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add classes to Google Calendar. We'll set up a dedicated calendar for your class schedule and then add your classes as events that repeat on the correct days. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, the small square of dots, and choose Calendar to open Google Calendar. On the left side, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus icon next to it and choose the option to create a new calendar. Give this calendar a clear name like class schedule so it's easy to spot later, and then create the calendar. Once it's made, head back to the main calendar view. Now in your calendar list on the left, find the new class schedule calendar and make sure it's visible. With the calendar ready, it's time to add your first class. Click the Create button at the top and select Event. In the title field, type your first subject. For example, type Chemistry. Set the date and select the start and end times that match the class meeting. Next, open the Repeat options by clicking the Does Not Repeat dropdown. Choose Custom so you can fine-tune the schedule. Select how often it repeats, typically every week, and then choose the exact days this class meets, such as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Tuesday and Thursday. When your repeat pattern looks right, click Done. Before saving, make sure this event is being added to the correct calendar. Find the calendar field in the event details, click it, and select your class schedule calendar. This keeps your class events organized and separate from your personal or work calendar. Finally, click Save. You should now see the class appear on the calendar at the correct times and on the selected days. If you don't see it right away, glance at the left panel to confirm that the class schedule calendar is checked and visible. From here, you'll follow the same flow for each subject. Create an event, name it, set the day and time, choose the custom repeat pattern, assign it to the class schedule calendar, and save. That's all there is to it. By creating a dedicated class schedule calendar and assigning each class to it, you'll keep your timetable clean, color-coded, and easy to manage. When the term is underway, your weekly view will clearly show every class exactly where it belongs, and you'll be confident you're never missing a session.